I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Not another scar video, of course. The biggest concern that I hear from patients who are going between an FUE and an FUT is, I don't want the scar. What about the scar? It's so big, it's so nasty. Not here at Natural Transplants. We leave a pencil tip scar. Here's an example. Patients coming in just for a fine little touch-up, and there's our pencil fine scar. It is so important to research your doctor, to look for somebody who understands how to close and approximate the edges of the skin. Here at Natural Transplants, great donor area, great suture line. All we're doing is a small little touch-up to fine-tune the frontal hairline on my patient today, but the scar, I'll remove the original scar. I'll go ahead and suture again, leaving a fine pencil tip, fine scar. So if you have any questions regarding the FUT versus the FUE, call me here. I'm Dr. Siegel at Natural Transplants. Would love to answer any questions you have.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.